Hello student, good morning. I hope you are fine and fit. Today we have discussed about the lesson 26 interesting facts. Lesson 26 interesting facts. Lesson 24 and 25, you know that in previous online class we have discussed about the lesson 23, 24 and 25 cut due to the reduce the syllabus. So today we have discussed about the lesson 26 interesting facts. In this video we have discussed about the some important facts, very interesting facts. But before that we have discussed about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First we see the homework. Okay student, you know that in previous online class I have given homework of lesson 23 fauna of Indian state, and I have given homework learn exercise of lesson 23. I hope all of you learned exercise of lesson 23 in proper way. And you know that I remind again, lesson 24 and 25 cut due to the reduce the syllabus. So next lesson, you know that 26 interesting facts. And I request you in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. Thank you. In this chapter 10 questions are given. First one by one we discuss all questions. So first question, answer the following questions. First, peaches, pears, apricots, quinces, strawberries and apples belong to which family of plant? Means these plants belong to which family? So here belong to the rose family, and family name Rosaceae. Okay, peaches, pears, apricots, quinces, strawberries and apples belong to which family of plant? The rose family. These plants belong to rose family, means same family of rose family of peaches, pears, apricots, quinces, strawberries and apples. And rose, they are same family, Rosaceae. Next, which is the fastest growing plant in the world? In this world, which is the fastest growing plant? And you know that bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. Next, what kind of plant is Venus flytrap? What kind of plant is Venus flytrap? And you know that the Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant. And you know that insectivorous plants grow in where nitrogen present in soil, a very low quality, means low quantity, means that soil poor of nitrogen. So what kind of plant is Venus flytrap? Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. What is the study of plant called? And you know that study of plant is called botany. B-O-T-A-N-Y, botany. And study of animals called zoology. And here plants called botany. And in botany we have study about the plant. Next, what do we call a cluster of bananas? Cluster of bananas, what they call? a hand. What? A hand. The cluster of bananas are called a hand. Question number 6. What is the method of calculating a tree's age by counting the rings present on its trunk called? I repeat again. What is the method of calculating a tree's age by counting the ring present on its trunk called? You know that you have seen. Then we observe the trunk of trees. In between a trunk or ring found, and this ring is an annual ring. So with the help of counting ring, and you count the age of the trees, and this method is called dendrochronology. With the help of this method is called dendrochronology. With the help of dendrochronology, you can calculate the age of the trees. Okay. So I repeat again. Next, peaches, pears, apricots, quinces, strawberries, and apples belong to which family of plant? The rose family. The rose family, Rosaceae. And which is the fastest growing plant in the world? Bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant in the world. What kind of plant is Venus flytrap? Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. What? Insectivorous plants. Okay. They eat means they digest the insect with the help of leaves. What is the study of plants called? The study of plants is called botany. What we call a cluster of bananas? A cluster of bananas is called a hand. What is the method of calculating a tree's age by counting the rings present on its trunk called dendrochronology? Next question. Which tree's trunk is capable of holding up to 1,20,000 liters of water? This plant hold water up to 1,20,000 liters of water. And plant's name? Baobab. Next up, what is the red data list used for? And the red data list used for the maintain the data list or data of the endangered biological species. Endangered biological species. Okay. And used for the maintain data of the endangered biological species. Next, which is the green pigment that is used by plant to trap sunlight called? Chlorophyll. And you know that chlorophyll is a green pigment that is found in the leaves, also green stems, and they trap the sunlight. And they trap the sunlight for helping in the process of photosynthesis. And you know that during the photosynthesis, sunlight is very necessary. And in the presence of sunlight, photosynthesis process work properly. And during the photosynthesis, you know that what is the necessary components? Water, carbon dioxide, and green pigment, chlorophyll, and sunlight. And chlorophyll trap the sunlight. Okay. Small opening or pores present on the surface of the leaf is called. In the surface of the leaf, very small pores are found. This small pores is called stomata. This small pores is called stomata, and with the help of stomata, plants release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, and also with the help of stomata they also do the activity of transpiration. Okay, so I repeat again here. Which tree's trunk is capable of holding up to 1,20,000 liters of water by above? What is the red data list used for? The red data list used for the maintain in data of endangered biological species. What is the green pigment that is used for the by plants to trap sunlight called chlorophyll? Chlorophyll. And 10th and last, small opening or pores present on the surface of the leaf is called stomata. Okay student, now you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 26, interesting facts. Date 1st September. Learn, answer the following questions of lesson 26. Learn, answer the following questions of lesson 26 in proper way. And I request you, all of you, please in comment box you have to write name, class and section for your attendance. And you have complete all work in proper way. Thank you for watching this video, and best of luck. Do hard work, be care, and also best. Thank you.